Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ta's World. So today we are going to learn chapter 1 of grade 6 mathematics, which is knowing your numbers. So in this video we are going to learn exercise 1.1. So let's begin the show without any further delays. So the first main is fill in the blanks. Now here we should fill the blanks. So the first question is 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. Now the first thing is how to write 1 lakh and 10,000. So 1 lakh, first we will write 1, and for 1 lakh there are 5 zeros. So we will write 5 zeros next to 1. So this is 1 lakh. Now let's write 10,000. So first we will write 1 and 10,000 has 4 zeros. So we will add the 4 zeros. So like this we write 10,000. Now first we should start comparing. So here we have 1 and here also we have 1. Okay. And here we have 3 zeros and here also we have 3 zeros. And here we have 1 zero. Here we have 2 zeros and here only we have 1 zero. Right. So this is the mistake. Now if we add one more zero, we can make 1 lakh. Right. So if this is 10,000 without any comma, if we add 1 zero, we can make 1 lakh. This is 1 lakh. Right. So then, how much times we should add 10,000 to make 1 lakh? Now, there is 1 zero less, right? Now, if I multiply it with 0, can I get my answer? No, right? Now, if I multiply it with 0, I'll get my answer as 0. So, we can't do it. Now, if I multiply it with 10, let's see if we will get the answer or no. Now, if we multiply it with 10, first we should ignore the zeros. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have 5 zeros. These 5 zeros we will ignore and 1 into 1. So, what is 1 into 1? It's 1 only. And now, if we add the 5 zeros, we will get 1 lakh. So, for 10,000, if we multiply 10, we will get 1 lakh. So, 10 is our answer. 1 lakh is equal to 10,000. Now, let's see the next question. So, the next question is 1 million is equal to dash 100,000. Now, again we should write the numbers. So, 1 million, first again we will write 1. And again, for 1 million we have 6 zeros. So, we will write 6 zeros. And 100,000. So, first we will write 1 again. And for 100,000, we have 5 zeros. So, 100,000. Now, we should check. We should compare them and check. So, here we have 1. Here also we have 1. Here we have 3 zeros and here also we have 3 zeros. And here we have 3 zeros, but here only we have 2 zeros. Right? Now, 1 zero is remaining. Now, if I add 1 zero for 100,000, I can make 1 million. Right? Now, we should check multiplying with 10. Now, if I multiply it with 0, I'll get the answer as 0 only. Now, let's check with 10 if we'll get our answer as 1 million. So, 100,000 into 10 will be, now again we can ignore the zeros. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we have 6 zeros. So, we can ignore it. At last, we can add them. Now, 1 into 1 is 1 only. Now, we will add the 6 zeros. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we added the 6 zeros. We got our answer as 1 million. This is 1 million, right? So, if we multiply 10 to 100,000, I'll get 1 million. So, our answer will be 10. So, why we'll get our answer as 10? Because if we add 10 times 100,000, if we add 10 times we will get 1 million, right? So our answer will be 10. 1 million is equal to 10,100,000. Now let's see the next question. Now in the next question we have 1 crore is equal to dash 10 lakh. Now again we should write the numbers. So for 1 crore we have 7 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 1 crore here. Now we should write 10 lakh. So again for 10 lakh we have 6 zeros. So first we'll write 1 and 6 zeros. So 10 lakh has 6 zeros. So now we got 10 lakh. Now we should compare them and check. So here we have 3 zeros. Here also we have 3 zeros. And here we have 2 zeros. And here also we have 2 zeros. And here we have 1. And here also we have 1. But here we have 2 zeros. And here we have only 1 zero. Right? So if we add one more zero to it, we will get 1 crore. Again, let's check with multiplying with 10. Now, if you multiply it with 10, we can again ignore the zeros and then we can add them. Right? So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, we have 7 zeros. And we will only multiply 1 into 1. So, 1 into 1 is 1 only. And we will add the 7 zeros. So you can see after adding the 7 zeros, we got 1 crore. Right. So for 10 lakh, if we multiply with 10, we will get 1 crore. So our answer will be 10 again. Now in the next question, we have 1 crore is equal to dash million. Okay. Now let's write 1 crore. So 1 crore has 7 zeros, as I said. So we will put 7 zeros next to 1. So this is 1 crore, right? Now million. So million has 6 zeros. So this is million. Now let's compare them. So here we have 1, here also we have 1. And here we have 2, here we have 3 zeros. Here also we have 3 zeros. But here we have totally 4 zeros, right? So here we have 4 zeros, but here we have only 3 zeros, right? So if we add one more zero, we will get 1 crore, right? Now again let's try multiplying it with 10. So if we multiply it with 10, again we should multiply first 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 only. Now let's check the zeros. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 zeros. Right. Now let's add the 7 zeros. So these are the 7 zeros. Now after multiplying with 10, we got our answer as 1 crore. Right, so this is 1 crore. After multiplying it with 10, we got 1 crore. So our answer will be again 10 only. So the next question is 1 million is equal to dash lakh. Now again let's write 1 million. So 1 million has 6 zeros. And a lakh. So they just gave lakh, right? So if they just give a lakh, it means that it's 1 lakh. So let's write 1 lakh. So this is 1 lakh. Now let's multiply it with 10. Now, here how many zeros are there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 zeros, right? Now let's multiply 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 is 1 only, right? And we have the 6 zeros, right? So let's add them. Now let's put the commas. So we got our answer as 1 million. So after multiplying with 10, we got 1 million. So our answer again, it will be 10. So this was the first main. Now let's move to the next main. Now the second main is place commas correctly and write the numerals. Now how should we place the commas and write the numerals? According to Indian system or international system? There is no, in the main there is no heading like Indian system or international system, right? Then we can get to know if it's international system or Indian system by seeing the number name. So like examples, lakh and all will come in Indian system and millions and all will come in international system. So by seeing the number name, we can find out that we should put the commas and write the numeral according to Indian system or international system. Now first we should see the number name. So the first question is 73,75,307. Now you can observe here we have lakh. Then if we have lakh, we should put the commas and write the numeral according to Indian system, right? Because lakh comes in Indian system. So how to put the commas according to Indian system? Now in Indian system, we put the commas. Initially we put the commas after every 3 digits. So first comma is after every 3 digits. So initially we put the comma after every 3 digits and then afterwards we'll put the commas after every 2 digits. Like if we write 1 lakh now, first initially means first comma will be after every 3 digits. Only the first comma will be after every 3 digits and then we can put the commas after every 2 digits. Now we have 1, 2, 3. So 3 digits over 1 comma. Now only 1 comma is after every 3 digits. Now we should put the comma after every 2 digits. So 1, 2. So 2 digits comma. So like this we put the comma to 1 lakh. Right? Like this we should put the comma. Now first let's write the numeral and then we can put the comma. Now 73. In the number name first we have 73. So directly we will write 73. And here we have lakh. And lakh has 5 zeros. So we will put 5 dashes. Right. Now, next name we have is 75. So again 75 will also come directly. And we have 1000. So 1000 has 3 zeros. So we already placed the 3 dashes, right? So no need to put the dashes again. And we have the 307. So 307, you all know, right, how to write it. Now this is the numeral. Now we should put the commas. So 1, 2, 3. 1 comma. But now we should put the commas after every 2 digits. So 1, 2, the second comma. And now we don't have any other digits, right? Only 73 we have. This is also 2 digits. But if we put the comma here, here also we should have a number. So we don't have any number further, right? So like this only we will leave it. So like this we put the commas and write the numeral. So we read it as 73,75,307. Now let's see the next question. So in the next question we have 9 crore 5,41,000. Now, first we have 9, right? So 9 will come as it is. Now we have crore. So crore has 7 zeros. So we will put 7 dashes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 dashes. Now we have 5 lakh. So there is no 10 lakh only, right? We already skipped to lakh. So in 10 lakh there is no place value. So we should just put 0 there. Now we have 5 lakh. So we will write 5. And we already placed the dashes, right? So no need to place it again. Now again we have 41. So how many place values we left? We left 10,000 and 1,000 and hundreds place value, right? So there and all we should put zeros. Now we can write 41. So this is the numeral. Now we should place the commas. So 1, 2, 3, first comma. And now we should place the commas after every 2 digits. So 1, 2, the second comma. Now again 1, 2, again the third comma. Now here we placed 3 commas because we have more digits. Now only 3 commas we'll put here because we don't have any other digits, right? If we have any other digits, we can put the comma. But we don't have any other digits, right? So we can leave it as it is. So we read the number as 9 crore 5 lakh 41. So now let's see the next question. So in the third question we have 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. Now again we have 7 in the starting. So we will put 7. Now the place value you can see is crore. So we will put 7 dashes because crore has 7 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have 52 here. So 52. And lakh, we already placed the dashes, right? So no need again. Now we have 21. So 21,000. And at last we have 302. So this is the numeral. Now let's place the commas. Now after every 3 digits we'll put the first comma. And again after every 2 digits we'll put the second comma. And again we'll put the comma after every 2 digits. So this is the third comma. So we will read the numeral as 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. Now let's see the fifth question. So in the fifth question we have 58,423,202. Now we have 58 million. Now you can observe here we have million and million comes in international system. So now we should put the commas and write the numeral according to international system. Now how to put the commas according to international system? So in international system, we put the commas after every 3 digits. So in international system, we put the commas after every 3 digits. The first comma will also be after every 3 digits and the next commas also will be after every 3 digits only. So like this we put the commas in international system. Now let's write the numeral and then we'll put the commas. So we have 58. Now we will write 58. Now we have million. So and million has 6 zeros. So we will put 6 dashes. So we have 6 dashes. Now we have 423,000. So we have 423. Now 202 we will write. So now let's put the commas. The numeral is done. Now after every 3 digits we'll put the first comma. And again after every 3 digits we'll put the second comma. And now we have only 2 digits. and that too we don't have any other digits, right? So we'll leave it as it is. Now we read the numeral as 58,423,202. Now let's see the fifth question. So in the fifth question we have 23,30,010. Now again we have lakh here. So again we should put the commas and write the numeral according to Indian system, not according to international system. Now we have 23 first. Okay. Now we have lakh. So in lakh we have 5 zeros. So we will put 5 dashes. Now we have 30,000. So 30 will come. And we have directly 10. So we don't have any hundreds place value, right? So we will just put the 0. Now we will write 10. So this is the numeral. Now let's place the commas. Now again we should place the commas according to Indian system. So initially we'll put the comma after every 3 digits. Now we will put the comma after every 2 digits only. So 1, 2. Now again we don't have any other digits, right? So if we have any other digits, we could have placed the comma. Now we don't have any other digits. So like this only we will put it. So we will read the numeral as 23,30,010. So this was the fifth question. Now let's move on to the next main. So now let's start with the third main, and the third main is insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian System of Numeration. Now here they already gave us that we should put the commas and write the names according to Indian System of Numeration. So we can do according to Indian System of Numeration only. And how to put commas according to Indian system. Now to put commas in Indian system, initially we start with 3 digits and then afterwards we will put the commas after 2 digits. Like in the first question, we will put the first comma after 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. We will put the first comma. But now we will put the commas after 2 digits. Because only the first comma will be after 3 digits and then we will put the comma after 2 digits. Now we can put the comma after 2 digits. So 1, 2, the second comma. Again 1, 2. We will put the third comma. So now we don't have any other digits, right? So we will leave as it is. So like this we'll put the comma for the first question. Now let's write the number name. So here the number name also will be written according to Indian system. So first number which we have is 8. So let's write 8. Now after 8 we should check the digits. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 digits and 7 zeros we have in crore. So it will be 8 crore. And after 8 crore we have 75. So 75. And after 75 again we should check the digits. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 digits and 5 zeros we have in lakh. So 75 lakh. After 75 here we have 95. So we will write 95. And after 95 we have 1, 2, 3. So after 95 we have 3 digits. So 3 zeros we have in 1000. So 95,000. And at last we have 762. So 762. So this will be our answer. Now let's see the next question. So in the second question, again we should start putting the commas. Now again first comma will be after every 3 digit, and now we can put the comma after every 2 digit. Now we placed the comma after every 2 digit, and now we don't have any digits, so we can leave it like this. And now let's write the number name. So first number here we have is 85. So 85. And after 85 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 digits. And 5 zeros we have in lakh. So 85 lakh. And afterwards we have 46. So 46. Now after 46 we have 3 digits. So for 3 zeros we have in 1000. So it will be 46,000. And after 46,000 at last we have 283. So we will write 283. So this was the second question. Now the third question, we should start putting the commas, right? First comma will be after every 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. The first comma, again 1, 2, the second comma, and again 1, 2, the third comma. So here we were having even more digits, so we placed the third comma also. In the previous question we didn't had that many digits, so we will stop like that only. And here we don't have any other digits, so we will put only 3 commas here. So like this we put the commas. And now let's write the number name. So first number we have is 9. And after 9 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after 9 we have 7 digits and 7 zeros we have in crore. So 9 crore. Now after 9 crore we have 99. So 99. And after 99 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 digits and 5 zeros we have in lakh. So 99 lakh. And now after 99 lakh here in 10,000's place and in thousands place and in hundreds place we have zeros. So we can ignore them because there is no place value, right? So only we can ignore them. And at last here we have 46. So 46. Right, so if there are zeros, we can ignore them. So our answer will be 9 crore 99 lakh 46. Directly we will go to 46. Now, let's see the next question. Now the next question is 98432701. Now, let's start putting the commas. So after 3 digits, we'll put the first comma. And after 2 digits, we'll put the second comma. And again after 2 digits, we'll put the third comma. Now let's write the number name. So again the first digit here is 9. And after 9, we'll check the digits. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after 9, we have 7 digits and 7 zeros, as I said, we have in crore. So it will be 9 crore. And after we have 84. So 84 will come. Now, after 84, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 digits and 5 zeros we have in lakh. So 84 lakh. And next we have 32. And after 32 we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 digits and 3 zeros we have in 1000. So 32,000. And at last we have 701. So 701. So this is our answer. Now let's see the next main. So now let's begin with the fourth main. Now the fourth main is insert commas suitably and write the names according to International System of Numeration. Now in the previous main we placed the commas and wrote the names according to Indian system. And now we are going to do according to International System of Numeration. Now let's see the first question. Now in first question also, first we should put the commas. Now to put the commas in International System, we put the commas after every 3 digits. So in International System, we put the commas after every 3 digits. Right. So in Indian system, initially we put the commas after every 3 digits and then we'll put the commas after every 2 digits. But in International System, we put the commas after every 3 digits. Now after 3 digits, we'll put the first comma and again we'll put the second comma. Now we will write the number name. Now first here we have 78. So 78. And now we should check the digits. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 digits. So 6 zeros we have in million. So it will be 78 million. Now next we have 921. So 921. Now after 921 we have 1, 2, 3. Now we have 3 digits. So 3 zeros we have in 1000. So it will be 921,000. Now here we have 0 in hundreds place, right? Now if we have 0 in any place value, we can ignore it. We can't say it as 0, 100, right? So if we have a 0, we can ignore it. Now we directly will move on to 92. So after 921,000, we will write 92. So 92. Now this will be the number name. Now let's see the next question. Now again in the next question, we will put the commas after every 3 digits. So after 3 digits, we'll put the first comma and again we'll put the second comma here. Now first here we have 7. So we have only 7. So only 7 will come here. Now after 7 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 digits and 6 zeros we have in million. So it will be 7 million. Now after 7 million we have 452. So 452. Now we should check the digits. So we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 digits and 3 zeros we have in 1000. So it will be 452,000. Now at last we have 283. So 283. So this will be the number name. Now let's see the next question. So in the next question, after 3 digits, we'll put the first comma. Again after 3 digits, we are going to put the second comma. Now first, in the first part we have 99. So 99. And after 99 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 digits. And 6 zeros we have in million. So it will be 99 million. After 99 million we have 985. So it will be 985. Now we'll check the digits. So we have 1, 2, 3. Now we have 3 digits and 3 zeros we have in 1000. So it will be 985,000. Now at last we have 102. So 100 and 2. So this will be the number name. Now let's move to the fourth question. So in the fourth question, we are going to put the commas first. So 1, 2, 3. 3 digits over, we'll put the first comma. Again 3 digits over, we'll put the second comma. Now in the first part, we have 48. So it will be 48. Now we should check the digits. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 digits. And 6 zeros we have in million. So it will be 48 million. Now after 48 million, here we have 0 in 100,000 place value. So as I said, if we have a 0, we can ignore it. So we can't write 0, 100, right? So 0, 100,000 and all we can't write. So we can ignore the 0 and we have 49 here. So we will directly write 49 and ignore the 0. So after 49 we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 digits and 3 zeros we have in 1000. So it will be 49,000. Now at last we have 831. So 831. So this will be the number name. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.